Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix Affirm buy now pay over time app not working or keeps on crashing on the device. Now if you are facing the problem of Affirm app not working on the device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So now to fix the error of BitLife app not working on a device, you need to simply follow the steps. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. That may be the first reason why the app is not working. Click on App Store and search Affirm so that the app is up to the latest version and there is no update available. So if you see the option of update, click on it to update the app. So after doing that, you need to simply if the app is working, that's good. If not, then go on settings on a device, and under settings you need to scroll down and you need to click on the option of general, and under general you'll see the option of iPhone storage. So click on it, and under iPhone storage you'll see the various apps which is on a device. So scroll down until you see the option of Affirm right here. So click on the option of offload app. Now by offloading the app, it will help you to fix the error which is happening on your app, and also helps you to free up some storage on a device. So click on the option of offload app. So by offloading, it will help you to fix the error which is happening on an app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. You will also click on the option of reinstall to reinstall it again. Thank you.